I'm in Intercourse PA. I'm gonna Doordash here. I mean sex. It's good enough for me. All right, I'm in Intercourse PA. As you could tell, there is no restaurants here. There's like 2 or 3, but I don't know if they do DoorDash, but we'll see. I'm gonna start Instacart as well and see what. Why is this? Oh God, it was locked. $20 for a t-shirt, that kind of seems like a lot. I bought the shirt. All right, it's been like an hour. I bought this thing. I don't even drink coffee, but I just wanted the mug that said Intercourse PA. And there's tons of milk in this, and I'm 1000% lactose intolerant, so my stomach is jumping up and down and doing somersaults in my body right now. But I've been sitting here for an hour and there has been nothing. This place here opens in 10 minutes. I might just go walk around it. And if I don't get any orders by 10:30, I might move to Lancaster, which is like 20 minutes away. Pretty big town for lunch rush. All right, Intercourse was great, but I was not getting any orders. I didn't get a single DoorDash order, Uber Eats, or Instacart. So I decided maybe it was time to finally move on. I walked around this antique furniture store for a little bit, waited for some orders, still got nothing. So I decided, let me get a couple shots of this place, the historic town, and then let's head out and try to get to Lancaster and try to make some money on the day. Now I love this town, but unfortunately there's no money to be made for me on DoorDash, Instacart, or Uber Eats, so I'm gonna have to go to Lancaster. It's about 20 minutes down the road, another popular historical place, so. Our first order, finally. Unfortunately, nothing in Intercourse PA. I drove all the way out there for nothing, but I had a great time. All right, now we're starting to get orders now that we're closer to Lancaster. Unfortunately, Intercourse didn't work out, just like the rest of my life.
Guess you wonder where I've been.
I just gotta say, the prison here, not bad. Looks pretty nice from the outside, I'm not gonna lie. Probably sucks on the inside. All right, so we stopped Intercourse early and we went to Lancaster, as you know. Probably change the wording on that. But since we got to Lancaster, it's only been about an hour and a half, not even, and we're already almost at $40. All right, and of course, as I'm talking about how well I'm doing, I get hit with a wave of absolute garbage. So here's an accurate representation using various Tim Robinson faces. And then with all its glory, Red Lobster came in and saved the day.
Nope. 75 years later.
Chick-fil-A lunch rush. Don't do it. All right, just dropped off the order, of course. This is Doordash right now. Hello, Doordash. All right, as you can see, look at that. Full bars. Nothing.
Beautiful morning.
Just one piece of advice that I've learned from Doordashing here in Lancaster is don't do drugs.
Stay off the damn weed.
Usually Instacart's doing this to me, but today it's Uber Eats that's being the toxic girlfriend. As soon as I'm like, okay, I'm done with you, I'm going home, it hits me with a beautiful order like this. I mean, it is Taco Bell, but I gotta do it. I got the Intercourse shirt back on, I got the heart attack in a bag, and the drop off is only like 3 minutes, so should be simple. All right, what is up? Well, I don't know what's up with this area, but right now the town I'm in is called Fertility. Like, I was just in Intercourse, I was in Bird in Hand, I was in Paradise, and now I'm in Fertility. I don't know what it is about the Amish, man, but they're wild.
Here's
Panera. I just dropped off both orders with ease. The guy came out, so I couldn't get a video of it, but I have to show y'all something. All right, check this out. No, it's on my feet. I mean, come on. Where else are you gonna see a Golden Corral?
Nice.
All right, we got Cartoon Network here. Dutch Wonderland there. Oh my, have I been this sweaty the whole time? So if this video can get 100 likes, I will stay here at the Cartoon Network Hotel and then go over to Dutch Wonderland, only using money I've earned from side hustles like Doordash, Uber Eats, and whatever else. All right, closing the video out right where we started. Let me know any other places you want me to DoorDash, Uber Eats at, or just visit and make a video at. But I got 0 orders done here, but I got a cool t-shirt, so that's all that matters. One last thing before I go, I'm in a town called Blue Ball now. Blue Ball, look. Blue Ball Garage, come on.